Hi guys, it's Kiddie Entrepreneurs here. Tommen's playing out the back and Faith's upstairs gaming, doing some gaming videos to post. While they're doing that, they've asked me to make them some, well, Faith's asked me to make her some strawberry lemonade, so I thought I would do that, and because I haven't done a video on it, I thought I will now. Okay, so it's really easy. You want like 400 grams of strawberries. Okay, and what I do is I just sprinkle a little bit of sugar in there. They go in the blender. You then want some lemon juice. I use half a cup. I've used fresh lemons, these are already cut and juiced. There's no point in me showing you that. I do have that on another video which I will post in the description. And then on top of that, we're going to add a touch of water. And we give that a quick blast. Look at that, lovely. Look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, so cracking on now with the actual lemonade itself. So first we need to make a syrup. So I'm going to use a wok because I'm assuming everybody's got a wok, and my partner is making a Sunday dinner today, so all the pans are in use. Okay, so what I'm going to use is just normal white sugar. I'm going to use about half of a cup. That's going to go in, and I'm going to add, now this is all congealed but it's fine, it's still honey. I'll put 2 tablespoons in, okay? Right. Then on top of that, I'm going to put a little splash of water, just enough to sort of cover it. Okay, we're going to let that heat up. While that's heating, we're going to start moving it around. Ooh. That sizzling is not in the pan, that's the water underneath. Allow this to melt and turn into a really nice syrup. This is really easy, this recipe. Strawberry lemonade. Beautiful summer's drink. It's a lovely day out today, so that's what we'll be doing. And this syrup is pretty much done. Not quite, you can still see there's some bits in there that still have to go away. It's really easy to do. I don't know why more people don't do it or try it. Okay. So now that's pretty much dissolved. What we're going to do now is just bring this off the heat. Okay. And then we're going to add the strawberries, and be careful. Onto the heat. I'm going to start stirring this in now. Now back off. We can actually turn the heat off there. We don't need that anymore. And this, guys, this is the very, 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 very start of it. So all we do now is let this cool down. Take as much of this as you want into a glass, add water, and it's amazing. I will show you that in a moment. Okay, but we are going to let this cool down. So while we do that, I'm going to take a break. Okay guys, so all I've done is emptied the jug, okay, and I've put it into this other jug here so you can see it. Okay, look at that. It really is amazing. The camera don't do it justice, I need a better camera. So all I've done is I've got my old Stella glass. I put about half in. Listen to the ice. That is actually just freezing cold. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is add some water. Then a little teaspoon, a little spoon, give it a little mix. And trust me, that is the nicest strawberry lemonade ever. Ever. Okay.